Hi guys, just a quick video today because as you can see from the background, I managed to get my hands on one of the new Rainbow High Sparkle and Shine dolls. So I'm going to unbox her and take a look at what she comes with, all the accessories and the clothing, and just give you a very quick review of this doll. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's get ready. Bye! Okay, so this is the Leilani doll from the Rainbow High Sparkle and Shine series. And this doll, I believe, came out in July of 2025, so last month. They're just starting to turn up on the German market. I bought this one, and the other one that I'm really interested in is called Misty. She has kind of a bluey green type theme, but I haven't been able to find her yet, so I decided to get this one. As you can see, she is a really cute doll with like a purpley magenta colored hair and brown eyes and like a slightly tan skin tone. And you can probably see inside the box already that the gimmick with these dolls, because you apparently can't have Rainbow High dolls without some kind of gimmick nowadays, is that the legs are filled with kind of a water that has bubbles of colored gel stuff inside them. So when you move the legs, the gel moves up and down and forms like little oily bubbles, kind of like a lava lamp, or like those little keychains you had in the 90s. I don't know if anyone's old enough to remember these, where there would be like also this kind of colored liquid stuff that would like go through a little mill thing with like an alien head on it. Not sure if anyone knows what I'm talking about, but yeah, this gimmick has been done before, but just as far as I know, not in dolls. So she comes with a really cute like magenta outfit with a bubble skirt and a little off the shoulder top with some leopard print around the waist and a little bow. I feel like her outfit is kind of like Gyaru inspired, or was like at least like slightly loosely based on that kind of like hyper pink aesthetic. She's even got like the little what do you call that? Like the hibiscus flower bag and like an old fashioned camera and some lip gloss and stuff. So yeah, she looks really adorable and I can't wait to get her out of the package. Let's take a look. Here's the box art on the back, by the way, so you can see all four dolls from the series. This is Leilani. This one is called Dawn. She has my name, but she's the one that has like the design that I like the least out of this series, so I don't know if I'll get her unless I see her on like super sale or something. This is Misty, the one that I really want but can't buy yet, and this one I think was called Whitney. She seems to be like the fan favorite. She has this really cool like Y2K cyber kind of design. Yeah, I'd probably like to get her also at some point. So here's what the inside of the packaging looks like. The background here is kind of made to look like a chest of drawers in like a bedroom. And you can see there's like little designs of like a lava lamp and like decor on the side. So it's supposed to be like she's in her little room. That's really cute. And this doll comes with a hairbrush, which, yeah, this will go somewhere, I don't know. And as usual with Rainbow High dolls, she is stuck in with loads and loads of tiny plastic ties. So I'll probably have to go onto the back and pull off some of this sellotape, and then I will be right back once I've like freed the doll from the packaging. Okay, so I've taken the doll out of the packaging, and as usual with Rainbow High dolls, she was fixed in with a ton of these annoying little plastic tab thingies. Which are probably great if you're an inbox collector and just want the doll to like stay in place in its box, but if you're taking them out, kind of annoying. So here she is out of the box, and you can see a little bit closer like how detailed her makeup is. She's got a really nice like frosty eyeshadow on, and her eyes are kind of a mixture between like brown, pink, and like a peachy color, really nice. And she has like a kind of a the like the Y2K lip color, like a frosty pink kind of a color. She's not wearing any earrings, unfortunately, which is kind of sad. Unless, no, I was checking that she didn't like come with earrings separately or something, but it's kind of a shame actually. I think she would have looked really cute with like some hibiscus earrings or something like that. That would have been nice. Oh, well, never mind. Um, and her hairstyle is like twists, four little twists up in like a high ponytail like this. And her hair is like usual with Rainbow High dolls, really crunchy, so that's gonna have to be washed. And the hair on the back of the head, I noticed it's like kind of more loosely rooted at the back. I don't know, there's like she almost looks like a little bit bald at the back here, but I expect once it's washed, I'll be able to kind of comb that over so that it's not quite so noticeable. And the outfit looks really detailed. It's got like some tiny lace along the outside, and the pattern and the lace go also around the back of the outfit. And because the top is supposed to be off the shoulder, it comes with these like clear plastic straps so that you can like when she's wearing the outfit, like kind of pose her with the straps and the shoulders like further down, but otherwise it kind of goes up like this. Like, you know, if you've ever worn one of these tops like in real life, they always end up more like this than like that. Yeah, and she is wearing a really cute like velvet bubble skirt that even has belt loops. So I guess if you had like a really tiny like doll-sized belt or something, then you can like put that in between the loops here, which I think would really like kind of disappointed that the outfit doesn't come with that anyway, because I think it would be like a really cool look. And yeah, she's not wearing any like extra jewelry or anything. She has joints at the shoulders, at the elbow, and sadly, MGA still hasn't brought back the wrist articulation that everyone's been missing. So, like, she can pose okay, I guess, but like wrist articulation would have been better. And she can also tilt her head from side to side and like roll it like this. So she also has these really cute like wedge espadrille, like what do you call those mule type shoes, and they are kind of like printed to look a little bit like the Dior oblique pattern. I guess that was like what that was inspired by. And they have like little really tiny rainbow high logos on the front. Is it focusing? Yeah, you can kind of see that on camera. So that's really cute, and they're like the same color as the skirt and as like these little ribbons in the top. And yeah, like I say, the gimmick with these dolls is that they have these kind of water-filled legs. I'm not sure who asked for this and who was asking for like gimmick dolls in the first place from Rainbow High, but never mind, we have it now, so you can kind of like move her back and forth like this, and it, like the air bubbles that are inside the legs kind of move this like different colored like jelly oily stuff around, and so it looks like she has like bubbles in her legs or like blood pooling at the ankles or something. I don't really know. I suppose it's kind of a I suppose it's kind of a fun gimmick for kids, like if you want to like shake the doll around or whatever. Or you could just pretend that she's wearing like really funky tights, I guess. So yeah, the legs are like semi-posable. You can kind of move them back and forth slightly like this, but they won't move out to the sides, and obviously they don't have any knee joints, which is kind of a shame because like that's part of the fun with these dolls. They had in the original ones really like good posability for like photos and stuff. But yeah, I guess now we have gimmicks. I was taking a look in like the other dolls in my collection to see if I could find one that you could maybe rebody her with if you wanted to give her like the full articulation. And the only one that I could find was like, I don't actually have that many Rainbow High dolls, I must admit, like to choose from. The one that I could find that had like the closest skin tone match is probably Sunny. Like you can kind of see on camera that they have like quite a similar skin tone. Sunny is maybe like slightly lighter and like has a slightly more like yellowy undertone than Leilani, whereas she has like more of a warm toned like orangey kind of a skin. But I guess like it is a close enough match that I think if you wanted to rebody Leilani on like a classic Rainbow High doll body, you could probably use Sunny without it being too noticeable. So yeah, there she is in her whole outfit, and that was the doll herself. Now I'm going to take a look at the accessories. Okay, so I've opened up all of the little accessories, and as you can see, she comes with this little bag, like a handbag, shaped like a hibiscus flower, which is plain on the back and says magic along the side, and it can be opened, but I wouldn't really want to put anything in there because it would be really, really difficult to get it out. This is made of like a slightly rubbery but also kind of a hard plastic, so I don't think like anything you put in there, it's going to be really difficult to get that out again. So yeah, she comes with a little handbag and a like early 2000s looking digital camera kind of a thing on a strap with a little ribbon on it. And if you look on the back of it, you can see on the little screen that they've made it so it looks as if she's taking a selfie with her friends, which is really cute. Although Dawn apparently wasn't invited. She also comes with this little lip gloss, which I think is supposed to look like the lip glosses that come with the Yummyland dolls. So that's like another cute little MGA tie-in. And this has a thumb hole, so you can attach it to like the doll's thumb and make it look as if she's holding it. And you can also open it, so that's going to be like really cute in little like dioramas and photographs with dolls, so that's really adorable. And she also comes with a cell phone, and it says here, point of view, you go to the best school ever. So they've made it look as if she's shooting like a little reel or something in her school. I love the little details that they put into these dolls, that's really cute. And on the back, it's supposed to look like it has a camera, one of these ones that has 4 lenses. And then the phone case that it comes in has like I don't know what that's supposed to be. It's like a kind of a unicorn sheep. I don't know, like maybe this is based on something in real life that I just don't know about, and you can buy like phone buddies. It's like climbing on her phone. I don't know. I've never like I've seen ones of these that are like shaped like a cat and stuff before, but never like a unicorn Pegasus sheep with wings before. Yeah, so there you can see like it also has like little butterfly wings on the back. So yeah, if anyone knows what this animal here is supposed to be based on, if it's based on something from real life, please let me know because like I kind of want one. So yeah, you can put the phone inside the phone case and she can hold it with her thumb and it looks as if this little creature is staring at her while she films. So yeah, those are the accessories that this doll comes with. And apart from the comb, there is actually nothing else in the box. So that's kind of sad if you were looking forward to getting one of the color coordinated Rainbow High stands that these dolls always used to come with. That unfortunately doesn't seem to be a thing anymore. So yeah, that's something to bear in mind. If you're buying one of these, you'll have to factor in like needing a doll stand to put them on, which is kind of a shame. I would have preferred to have a doll stand rather than gimmick legs, honestly, but never mind, that's not my decision to make. I still am like really, really impressed by the quality of the doll and the outfits, and yeah, I feel like she's a really, really cute addition to my collection. Okay, so that was the end of my quick little unboxing and review of this new Rainbow High Sparkle and Shine doll. What do you think of the Sparkle and Shine series so far? Are you going to be getting any? Which one is your favourite? As always, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe for more doll related content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!